everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be discussing with you writing task 2, and the question for today is many crimes are often related to the consumption of alcohol. Some people think that the best way to reduce crime rate is to ban alcohol. Do you think this is an effective measure against crime? What other solution can you suggest? So the question is about the banning of alcohol, that because of alcohol consumption there are many crimes. People believe that. So the best way to reduce that crime, to reduce the crime rate, is to ban alcohol. So we have to tell that, do we think that it is an effective way to handle crime, and we have to suggest other solution as well. So in writing task 1, we will be giving the answer of this first question, like we think it is an effective way or we do not think that it is an effective way. And in the second body paragraph, we will be discussing some solutions, other solutions. It is widely claimed that majority of crimes are committed after drinking illegal substances. Hence, many people believe that prohibiting certain type of drinks is an effective way to reduce the number of crimes. So, prohibiting means banning certain type of drink will be an effective way to reduce the number of crimes. However, I believe that it will not combat the situation, but rather encourage means motivate the growth of new crimes, and alternate solutions such as raising the harshness of penalties for criminal conduct and increasing the price are more successful. Means instead of banning the alcohol, the government should raise the price of alcohol and raise the harshness of the penalties for criminal conduct. So they should give harsh penalties for criminal conduct. Undeniably, by banning the use and sale of alcohol, other significant crimes such as smuggling would thrive. Definitely, if government will ban alcohol, so smuggling will take place. This means that alcoholics will compel themselves to conduct other crimes such as trafficking in hard liquor to meet their craving for alcohol. So they will definitely, in Bihar, I have given the example also. For instance, in Bihar, the government passed a rule to prohibit the sale of alcoholic drinks in 2016 in the expectation of lowering criminal activity rates. But instead of falling, rates soared by 13% in just 8 months after the law was passed. Because people in Bihar, they started trafficking, they started smuggling the alcohol, and the criminal rate, instead of decreasing, it soared, it increased by 13% in just 8 months. So this is not an effective way. The most effective solution for reducing the number of crimes committed is to raise the severity of punishment. Severity means harshness. This would cause panic and fear in the minds of these criminally inclined individuals, discouraging them from engaging in illegal activities. So, severity of the punishment means harshness of the punishment. Before some of the incidents of very cruel rape in India, the penalty of rape was not death sentence, but nowadays it has been changed to death sentence. Means it has the government has increased the harshness. So instead of banning all these things, the government, what can they do? They can they can raise the severity means harshness of punishments. So what will happen? This will cause panic and fear in the minds of these criminally inclined individuals, which discourage them from engaging in illegal activities. Nonetheless, raising the price of liquor is one strategy to reduce alcohol-related crimes. So if they will increase the liquor price, then definitely people will buy. No doubt they will buy, but they will buy in less quantity. This means that customers will have to spend more money on the same amount of product, resulting in a decrease in consumption. To reiterate, restricting liquor is not a solution for reducing crime, because it would not only fail to deter criminals, but it will also produce a new stream of criminal activities. it will fail to control criminals, but it will produce a new stream of criminal activity. People will start trafficking, smuggling the alcohol. Strict penalties and increased price could be effective solution for regulating this issue. So this can be an effective measure for controlling this issue. So this was for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.